Unfortunately, I had a stroke just over 4 years ago, and I was in hospital for a few months. I was unable to use my left arm or hand or walk on my own. So it was a huge change in my life. That's when your company came in and I was getting intensive physio. And eventually I was able to not need as much physio because it started to work. Now the physio is just once a week. Having like Cassie and Nicola, they're great motivators for me and they're very encouraging. I do feel listened to, and then I'm told, get on with it. I know that they won't push me, they keep me safe, but maybe I would be reluctant and they'll sometimes take away the stick and just, walk. And they're very respectful and mindful. They know me well and they know what I'm capable of. I've got the confidence of going out more now, which is another thing, yes, with the physios have helped, taking me, encouraging me and walking out with me. It's just determination, I think, and trying to be as positive as you can. And we know every stroke is different, but hopefully by working at it, that you will get improvement. It's been a very, very positive experience. You've brought me on, I feel, as much as I can and still continuing to do so. So, yes, I'm very happy with the service.